On our last day, we went to Amanohashidate. First, we took the train from Kinosaki Onsen Station to Toyoka Station. Then, from Toyoka Station, we took Kyoto Tango Railway to Amanohashidate Station. It is about an hour and 15 minutes railway ride. We arrived at Amanohashidate. First things we did was rent bicycle and went cycling to the opposite shore, Ichinomiya. Beautiful view with blue ocean and thousands of pine trees were amazing. Breeze felt nice. We arrived at Ichinomiya and went to Ichinomiya Fuchu Station to take the lift. This place is called Kasamatsu Park. You can see Amanohashidate from here. This site is recognized as one of the 3 most beautiful views in Japan. At the Kasamatsu Park, you must do matanozoki. Matanozoki means looking upside down through legs. If you look Amanohashidate with matanozoki, you'll see the sky and the sea look upside down. Looks just like a bridge across the sky. Please try it. There are several Amanohashidate sweets such as butter sand are sold at the souvenir shop. Cheers! We took some break and got on the lift to go down the mountain. The view from the lift is also amazing. We were hungry, so we went to Kasamatsu no Sato to have lunch. Clam bowl is the most popular in this restaurant. We rowed a boat to go back to the opposite shore. Many seagulls. You can feed them on the boat. The feed is Japanese snacks. We didn't know that seagulls also love Japanese snacks. Let's try. Nice catch. If you are scared of feeling seagulls, you can take a seat inside and enjoy the cruising. We were at Amanohashidate Viewland. Let's try kawarake nage here. It is 300 yen for 3 pottery tiles. It is said that get the pottery into the ring and your wish will come true. We tried. We couldn't make it. It was much more difficult than we thought. The view from here is fantastic. There was a telescope. Let's get on the lift again. It was humid, so we took some break at the cafe. Then we went to have some dinner. The view from our table was nice.